Alright, y'all, now this is gonna be a special animal, okay? So I gotta be a little fancy with it. You feel me? The Crested Auklet is a small bird like that lives in the Bering Sea in the Sea of Okhotsk in the far east of Russia. These majestic birds can grow no more than 10.6 inches in length and 20 inches in wingspan, and they can weigh as much as 11.6 ounces. These dazzling birds are considered to be, oh my goodness gracious, man, planktivores. So they will eat krill, copepods, pteropods, amphipods, and fish larvae. The Crested Auklet are known for their forehead crests, which is made of black fur with curving feathers. During the winter, the plumages